Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making some holographic Christmas decorations. I don't know if you can see this, my holographic mould. We've used this before. Today I'm going to be doing two different colours of mica powder. These are both Menyo, the brand, and light green and red Christmassy colours, of course. I'm not going for any particular pattern. I think I'm just going to try and put blobs of colour in each and just see what happens at the end. So, I have two silicone beakers here so I can pinch them and try and get a bit more control over the pour. And I'm just going to add my green to one. Ooh, lovely green colour. Really like that shade. There we go, it's my green. Oh, just throwing red everywhere. Don't know if you can see it on camera. No, it's off, out of frame. I've just managed to splash red mica powder all over the place, but never mind. I think next time I get mica powders in little pouches like that, I'm going to have to get some little screw cap pots maybe, although you don't get a lot, so I don't know. I shall think about it. I just think the pouches are hard to get into, especially when you've got gloves on. Ooh, lovely red. It's a very pinky red, looks really nice. Right, I am just going to add in to each one, and then we'll get some weird, interesting patterns. We'll see what happens. How holographic are they going to be? Now I think on a couple of them I want to do a cocktail stick swirly. I think on the tree. Maybe the boot. I think I'm going to leave the rest. You can already see some interesting things happening. Let's give them a quick torch. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. I think these are going to look really cool. Really cool. I love the way they just look like sweets, almost, with the colours. Like a hard sort of a rock candy. These look really cool. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see that one in the star. Actually, I'm really excited to see all of them. I think they're all going to be cool. Right, I'll see you when they're set and we can see what happened. I am super excited to demold these and see what happened on the other side, see what, or if any holographic effect we get at all, but I love the effect on this side. And of course, because they're going to hang on a tree, you're going to see both sides. It's important that you like both, and I really do. I think they're really cute. I love the way that the colours have mixed on each of them. Oh, they're all popping out already. Just clearing up my messy pouring, as usual. I tend to get resin all over my moulds, but it just peels off, which is great. Right, I think I'm just going to pop them out, pop them down, and then we can turn them over and have a look, see what we think. Right, mould clean, apart from, as I said, my messy pouring. Let's peel those bits off. All done. Right, I'm going to go one by one. Ooh. Are we getting any holographic? Oh, we are slightly on the edges. That's really cool though, I like that effect. It's like an apple that's turning red almost, which looks really cool, and I love that it's a different colour on the back. Got a nice effect around the edges as well. That's really cool, like that one. Our little snowman. Not getting any holographic effect on that one at all, but that's absolutely fine. I love the look. I think that's really, really cool. Our stocking. Now you can see here, this is where I went in with a cocktail stick. Not mad at that at all. I think that adds to the design. It's quite cute. Ah, you can see where I swirled with a cocktail stick there. I like that. I think that's really cute. Our snowflake. Ta-da! Looks like it's almost exploding from the centre. That's really cool. Like that. And I really like that the effects are different on both sides. I think that's really cool. Tree. Ta-da! Love that one. I really like that, that's really cool. And finally, our star. Ooh, again, it's giving similar vibe to this one. Our snowflake exploding from the middle. Really cool. Not getting any holographic effect on any of them apart from this one just here. I don't know if it's going to pick up. Around the very edge. So I don't know what that says about holographic moulds and mica powder. I'm not sure. Does that mean that I shouldn't use mica powder with a holographic mould if I want the holographic effect? More playing is required, definitely. So subscribe if you want to see that for sure. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.